Hi, my name is Scott Robertson, and today we're going to walk you through the world debut of Ocean Alexander's latest model, the 28E Explorer. This is a 2023 model, and we're going to welcome you aboard. The 28E is powered by twin 1650 Mans. It has a beam that's just under 21 feet in width. So what's really nice is this particular layout, we have side bulwarks that are going to lay down and make this just about 27 feet in beam. This entire area is set up for a 16-foot tender. So you can do a Williams 16-foot tender back here. You can put a 3-seater jet ski and a couple sea bobs. The other nice thing we've done is we actually have a bathing platform that acts as a hydraulic swim platform. It's a 1,000-pound capacity, but you can lower it down for snorkeling and diving and that as well. This is a 2,500-pound davit that we're utilizing for the jet ski and also for the 16-foot Williams. As we make our way up into the upper aft area, you'll notice that we have seating on both sides. Got a tray ceiling above, TV that drops down from the ceiling here, and really nice large electric salon door that will take you into the salon. So as we make our way into the salon, you're going to notice the enormous windows that are throughout. We have electric sliding doors on the port and starboard sides across from the dining. But as you take a look back here, we have a 50-inch television, and we have a really nice L-shaped seating here as well. Got a full bar over here on the starboard side. We have seating for 10 here. So as you make your way forward, you have the stairs that'll take you to the enclosed fly bridge, but for the main level, we have a day head here. So this is day head number 1. We're also going to have one up on the upper level, which is a new feature and really makes it nice when you're on the fly bridge. As you make your way forward, this is an on-deck master. Now we're in the master stateroom, king-size bed, full beam master on deck. Really nice natural light that's coming through this window in the front here. And then you have electric blinds that are for the sides and also to cover this during the day if you want. Got a really nice walk-in closet here with drawers against this wall as well as built in. The master head is very neat. This is dual sinks, separate shower of course, but behind this mirror is a large window. So you have the ability on this to lower this mirror down, and when it's not in use, to bring some really nice natural light into this room. On the port side of the master stateroom, you got a nice vanity on this side, so a place for jewelry and then a mirror, and you got drawers all through on this as well. So as we make our way down to the lower staterooms, there is 4 additional bedrooms down here plus a gym. Here is one of the main rooms with queens. You got a full closet and your in-suite head in here with a separate shower. So in addition to these 2 queen-size bedrooms here, as you make your way forward on the starboard side, we have an additional guest stateroom here with 2 single beds, and these 2 single beds do slide together to make a queen. Now our 4th stateroom in the lower level, making it for our 5 staterooms on the boat, you're going to have a walk-around queen bed up in the bow. This again will have its own separate in-suite head and shower. So now we're in the 5th stateroom down below, which has been equipped as a workout room. This will very easily hold a Peloton or a treadmill, but great ceiling height, nice window over here on the side as well to bring natural light in. But just forward of that, we added a utility room. So this utility room will have a refrigerator, it'll have a big freezer, and it also has a washer and dryer down here as well. So follow me up to the enclosed fly bridge and we'll walk you through that. So this is the enclosed bridge. This is one enormous area, huge windows. But to go through parts of it, forward part of this is your helm with 3 electric seats. You got 3 24-inch navigation screens. We've equipped this boat with hydraulic bow and stern thrusters and also 0-speed stabilizers. In the back area back here, you're going to have a very, very large U-shaped couch with a drop-down 50-inch TV over on your starboard side. But one of the additional features that Ocean Alexander's team engineered into this boat was an additional head up on the bridge. Past year models in our 27Rs and our 30Rs, we did not have this as an opportunity for owners. This is a great feature because as you can see out back, you got your hot tub, you got activities out here, and this is a very close head for that purpose. So as we're leaving the enclosed flybridge, we're gonna come to this flybridge aft deck area. Again, another great area for seating. Have dinner up here as well. Over on this side, we've got a grill, but we also have equipped compressed air in 3 different spots on this boat. One of the hookups is on the flybridge. The reason we put that up here was we're finding that a lot of our owners are buying those slides that go off the sides of the boat. Here you can actually fill that and deflate it in one place. As you make your way back here, we're gonna have a 4-person jacuzzi, hot tub, and then great sun lounging areas as well back in this area. So as you make your way around the side decks on this 28E, the bow of the boat offers a really nice sun pad up in this area. You can see it stretches all the way across. We've raised it up, but then we've added a lower area for having drinks, dinner. It's a U-shaped seating area with a really nice table. So as you make your way around the port side, there's a private door entrance into the galley. This is a great galley for a chef. They have the ability to bring all the food and drinks through this door without bothering the owners when they're in the salon and on the aft deck. Now, this galley is very well equipped. We've got a full refrigerator, freezer down below, nice size oven, which is here, 4-burner cooktop. We've got the convection microwave. We've got a garbage disposal here. This is a full dishwasher, and this area is also fitted with an ice maker. Ocean Alexander really makes the time and effort to make sure the cruise quarters is very well equipped and designed properly. This cruise quarters has 3 rooms that can be utilized for a crew of 4 to 5 people. So this first room here is for the captain himself, and he also has his own separate head in here and shower. As you make your way across, you'll notice they put a little dinette table here for him, but also a washer and dryer. So that's 2 sets of washer and dryers throughout the boat. Nice little sink with a microwave, but we also have 2 bunks in a separate room here. And then this other room, we've done a snap-on toolbox, a workbench, but then there is a Pullman bed for a 4th bed in here. And as you make your way back, you're gonna notice that we have another head and shower in here as well. Just forward of the cruise, you're accessing to the engine room. Again, to go through the motors, they're twin man 1650 horsepower. You have twin 32 kW Kohler generators. We also have a head treatment system that is 600 gallons per day, and we also have a water maker that's a 1200 gallon per day water maker. Thank you again for taking the time to walk through the 28E Ocean Alexander. This is our world debut again. This is again a 5-stateroom yacht with a gym and enclosed flybridge. Very, very well equipped. This entire back area here again can be used for a 16-foot tender. You got a nice davit, great entertaining space. Again, look forward to any questions and whatever we can do to help you out.